Hi guys, yesterday we were selling this, we hit both of our targets, guys. So kudos to those guys who followed us. Anyways, guys, not what's the second target is on its way. Sorry about that. And A was selling this as well. The first target was 1.3350, guys, which was 3350, which was quite small. And the second target was guys 1.3274. 1.3274. It's right about here. So almost the same as my second target, first target, guys. So it got hit as well. So AI was also printing money, guys. So guys, the question remains: what are we going to do today? So today, guys, I know there are a lot of bullish points anyone can make, but guys, my simple answer is, guys, as long as the price action is bearish, how in the world can I start buying? If I want a reversal, I need a break above 1.32964 based on the current price action because the current structure, this is the high. Of course, we could consolidate and make a new structure, but that will happen when that happens. Before that, guys, I cannot do anything. Even if I want to sell it like hell, I cannot because I don't have a break. Buy it like I don't have enough proof for a buying trade. Anyways, guys, as long as we are below this, the first target, we are already there, guys, which is 1.32524. Guys, my second target is 1.32184. So this is my analysis. Okay, let's give the AI info so it can start its own analysis as well. Let's hide this. Let's take a picture, guys. Let's paste this picture right here. Get rid of all of these files. Okay, guys, these two screenshots, and here we go. Anyways, guys, the only reason I hid my AI behind the paywall was because hey, it costs me per prompt. The AI-based models, that's the issues with all of them. Or if I hire my own endpoint, a server, it costs me rent, which is quite expensive for an AI because those are high-end endpoints. And if I want to make my own server, it costs me a lot of hardware and electricity. So the most obvious and easy thing for small guy is to you make it per prompt. So I am doing that, but the issue, guys, again is that I have to meet the cost. So instead of the charging, I'm making a new app in which there's an ad based model. Okay, you can watch a small ad for the fast analysis, a longer ad for the deep consensus analysis. So it will be free, and if you want to skip the ad, you could use the premium, but I doubt anyone would do that, and I won't recommend that because uh, you just need two or three analysis per day, and you can watch an ad for that, and that would not make me any profit, guys. I can share you with the spreadsheet as well. It will just hardly make hit break even. So there's that, but of course I will get to reach a lot of data, a lot of people using it, and I could learn what is going on and what is not. As here's the analysis, master consensus is bearish. You have the pivot area, target 1, target 2, bearish continuation, runway session, March 19, blah blah blah, 4H supports micro operation, immediate target 12. The targets 1H provides the immediate support and critical pivot in validation hub. The market is paralyzed by anticipation for the FOMC. I guess it happened yesterday, so it's still stuck there. Conflicting sentiments, sell off precious metals, opposition aggressive dollar, the Strait of Hormuz, and sa- uh, safety risk flight to dollar. Okay, guys, so that's the fundamental outlook. I don't want to go too much into it because the AI was not trained based on that, it was based on technical analysis, and it does very well at that. I am seeing. I've tested it, and guys, trust me, the AI outperforms about 80 to 90% of the influencers that are sitting on social media and spouting that they're good at trading. Anyways, let's ignore that. And validation level, as long as the price is below 1.1493, guys, we are. Wait a minute. Oh, shit. Okay. Ah, I gave it one chart of the pound, so it got confused. Okay. Sorry, guys, I'm going to pause the video and correct this mistake. So, guys, here's the master consensus. We're bearish. We did do analysis, or I just skip to the part because, guys, we wasted a lot of time. Even the, even AI kept it short. So, okay, you can employment report, bullish catalyst for the pound, flag to safety, frozen to dollar, macro backdrop bearish for pound USD. Okay, guys. So, guys, as I mentioned, guys, we may become bullish if we break this. We have a double bottom. We will be going up, and of course, this was not an entry area. This is a profit taking area. So we need to be careful with that with our own analysis. Anyways, guys, if you break above our targets, AI is saying the target is 3252, same as mine. Validation point is 1.3297, same as mine. And the bias counter bias target is 3371, mine is 33493. Okay, it's going for this high here, right? I'm going for the start of this resistance area. It's going for the end of the resistance area. So let's see what ends up happening. So wishing you guys best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow. Its second target is 3221. Mine is 32184. Almost the same. Take care guys and see you guys tomorrow.